Welcome back. The next thing I use is a gravity machine, or the pole that goes in the water and it takes the water out, all the old gunk, and it pulls it up. It sucks the water up and puts it down in my 3 buckets that I have sitting there. Once the 3 buckets are full, I go and dump it and start again until I get the water reasonably low enough where I can add clean water to it. And that's how fish Thank you for being with me today, and stay tuned for the next part next week. See you then. Bye-bye now.